Hello and welcome to today's NetBeez live demo. Today we'll talk about the NetBeez version 1.4, which was released last week. So what does NetBeez version 1.4 include? First of all, we added a Wi-Fi workspace that will help wireless engineers to troubleshoot and detect problems that users are experiencing on a Wi-Fi network. If you are familiar with our technology and product, NetBeez launched the first Wi-Fi sensors in 2015 at Tech Field Day, and that version was a 0.10 at the time. And throughout the years and releases, we've improved the Wi-Fi agent as well as the features included. But we never had a place where all the data could converge in one place. That is, to be a little more precise, like all the Wi-Fi metrics collected by each individual sensor about a specific SSID was falling under the Wi-Fi detailed view of that agent. Okay, so in the dashboard, all this information was fragmented across all the different Wi-Fi sensors. So if you want to see what is the status of a Wi-Fi network, you have to check multiple individual sensors. Well, with 1.4, all this information is aggregated under a same view, a same dashboard page. And I'll show you shortly in the product tour, in the quick demo. And this new Wi-Fi workspace, you'll see one SSID monitor per entry in the tab, as I show you, and also each SSID can trigger Wi-Fi incidents. That means if sensors connected to that specific sensor are having problems, performance issues, a Wi-Fi incident will be triggered, so you can be notified that a particular network is having problems or causing issues to your end users. Two other new addition to 1.4 are, for example, we added a speed test and VoIP test under the ad-hoc tab. So now you can run speed test to the internet or a VoIP test whenever you need without having to schedule a job, a cron job, as it was possible before. So we support both schedule test and ad-hoc test for speed test and VoIP test. And two other addition under the speed test, outside the UCLA, which is the original speed test, we also added fast.com, which is a download speed for Netflix to the CDN network of Netflix. So that's very useful for internet service providers that use NetBeez to monitor the end user experience of their subscribers. And the other one is the NDT, which is very similar to the UCLA speed test. It performs a download and upload and latency test. But this is more kind of open source in the sense that is developed and maintained by the MLab consortium, which is a consortium of different companies working on an open measurement framework. Of course, we have included more features in 1.4, so I'll recommend to check our release notes online on our online documentation that you can find from netbeez.net, then choosing the resources documentation option from our website. I'll post the link after in this Facebook Live demo. So let's see a tour of the dashboard, very quick tour, but here I have my dashboard, and let me see full screen. So what you're looking at, again, this is version 1.4 of NetBeez, which was just released last week. You can see that the bus tab has included now a section for the Wi-Fi incidents, which in this case is very good. We're not having any problem with the Wi-Fi networks. We only have a problem with the target, as you can see here in the timeline. Let me go straight to the Wi-Fi tab at this point, since if you're familiar or not with the rest of the dashboard, please schedule a demo with us from our netbeez.net website. In any case, let me show you the new Wi-Fi tab. As you can see, I've already selected a specific SSID, which is NetBeez. We have 5 agents monitoring this SSID. And now you can see that for all these sensors, we have all in one place all the information in the terms of, you can see link quality, signal strength, bitrate, channel, and so on, and also the access point that are connected to And this is all in real time. I selected the 1 day first, and this is the 15-minute. So again, this is like all information available for all your Wi-Fi sensors all in one place. You can also like see what agents have low link quality or high link quality. So you can also filter them and identify the ones that have lower or problems with the performance. So this is the Wi-Fi SSID view. I close now the detail window, and you see that I have 3 SSID monitored. Right now, only the NetBeez SSID is actively monitored by 5 sensors, because the other one are created, configured the profiles, but I haven't assigned any agent yet. So creating a Wi-Fi network to be monitored, it's very simple. You specify the SSID, you can add the description, and then you pick, then choose the security settings. With this, I want to conclude this quick demo about version 1.4. Again, the primary, the major addition in this new release is the addition of the Wi-Fi workspace or Wi-Fi tab that allows Wi-Fi engineer to quickly and efficiently monitor and troubleshoot problem on any Wi-Fi networks. With that, thank you so much for your time, and have a great weekend.